How to hire better manufacturing engineers and managers with skills tests. Manufacturing has long been one of the backbones of the American economy, and that remains true today. According to the National Association of Manufacturers, more than 12.8 million employees work in the manufacturing industry, accounting for 8.51% of the workforce in the United States. To keep manufacturing processes running full speed ahead, employers need manufacturing engineers and managers they can trust. These critical employees are responsible for designing, implementing, and maintaining the equipment and processes that make manufacturing possible. Making poor hires in these positions can cost a company an average of $14,900 per position and put production output well behind schedule. With eSkill's Talent Assessment Platform, you can make the hiring process much faster while making it much easier to find the best candidates for the job. Download the executive report on this page to learn more. Skills testing means you do not have to rely on resumes and references to make a hire. Instead, you can assess candidates by their skill level, helping you quickly and accurately identify top potential hires. Assessing manufacturing engineer skills with skills tests. To succeed, candidates need many manufacturing engineer skills, including communication, organization, problem solving, analysis, technical knowledge. eSkill's Talent Assessment Platform offers all of the tools you need to assess a candidate's manufacturing engineer skills and abilities. With the largest library of skills tests available from any provider, you can choose from more than 800 standard skills tests, including effective communication, matching skills, logical thinking, mechanical aptitude, mechanical engineering. You can also create custom skills tests by hand-picking questions from the different subjects or topics most relevant to the position. With eSkill, you also have the option of adding simulation questions directly into your skills tests. Simulations place candidates in a task-based situation, asking them to demonstrate the skills you are looking to assess. This modality allows you to see both the results and the process used to arrive at the answer. Skills testing can help you cut your time to hire by up to 60% and save you up to 70% on hiring costs. Save your time and money and use eSkill's powerful skills testing software to help you find the top candidates you need to succeed. Download the executive report on this page to learn more. eSkill.com. Request a demo.